This video is related to cleft sentences, using what and it. When we talk about cleft sentences, we can say that they are sentences that divide the message in two parts, using what or it. These ones, the ones we have here, are cleft sentences with what. So in this case, we see that the what clause is introducing the non-information. So we know what we are talking about, maybe from a previous sentence that the person mentioned, and this introduction that is going to give us the context in which we are talking, right? Then these cleft sentences are always divided by the verb be or joined by the verb be. And after verb be, we have the new information that is going to complement the clause that we have at the beginning. For example, what we were discussing was really absurd, right? This is one. So the focus is in the new information. How was it? This is the part that we are emphasizing when we use cleft sentences. What she does when she gets mad is going for a walk. So in the first part, it gives us the context, and in the second part, after B, we have the new information that is the focus of attention. What you say is really important. So we are focusing on the importance of that conversation, and what you say is giving us the context. It is important to remember that the non-information, the what clause, is the subject of the sentence or introduces the subject of the sentence. And the new information is going to be the complement that is going to be the focus of attention. All of them are going to be in this way, and verb be is always joining the two parts of the information. The other form of cleft sentences is the one that starts with it. In this case, it is going to be followed by verb be, and it is going to have the emphasis of the sentence. The relative pronoun is the one that is going to join the two clauses, right? The first clause and the extra information that we are sharing. So we can say it was my sister who won the championship, or it is my family that worked hard on that project. So it's similar to a relative sentence or a relative clause, but the thing is that it begins with it. It doesn't have a specific meaning, but it is the subject of the sentence because remember, we cannot have a sentence in English that starts with a verb. This is the reason why, even though it doesn't have a specific meaning or it is not related to something specific, it has to be there. So we are going to start in this way, and then the extra information is the one that we are going to highlight in a way because it's the one that is going to give us the real information we are looking for. Again, the first part is going to give us context, and the second part is going to give us information that we want to mention about the subject of the first part of the it clause. So I think with this summary, we can understand a little bit how cleft sentences work. If you need a little bit extra explanation, you can check some summaries that we have in the book, and specifically on page 136, right? So if you want, you can check these summaries to have a clearer idea, and also to complete the exercises that you have assigned here in this online assignment.